kids, welcome to this fun and exciting math quiz. Have fun and enjoy.
Hooray!
A square number is what you get when you multiply a number by itself. That means the number is used 2 times. Square numbers are special because they help you understand both multiplication and shapes at the same time. You can use square numbers to make perfect square shapes with dots, blocks, or tiles. Let's look at the square numbers from 1 to the power of 2 to 10 to the power of 2. When we say 1 squared, or 1 to the power of 2, it means 1 times 1 equals 1. When we say 2 squared, or 2 to the power of 2, it means 2 times 2 equals 4. When we say 3 squared, or 3 to the power of 2, it means 3 times 3 equals 9. When we say 4 squared, or 4 to the power of 2, it means 4 times 4 equals 16. When we say 5 squared, or 5 to the power of 2, it means 5 times 5 equals 25. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. When we say 6 squared, or 6 to the power of 2, it means 6 times 6 equals 36. When we say 7 squared, or 7 to the power of 2, it means 7 times 7 equals 49. When we say 8 squared, or 8 to the power of 2, it means 8 times 8 equals 64. When we say 9 squared, or 9 to the power of 2, it means 9 times 9 equals 81. When we say 10 squared, or 10 to the power of 2, it means 10 times 10 equals 100. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to watch our other videos.